Install Google Chrome on iPad. How to get Google Chrome on iPad. To get Google Chrome on iPad is very simple, and I'm showing the process on my iPhone, but the process on my iPad is also quite simple. iPad is also equipped with an app store, so you want to open up your app store, of course making sure that you also have access to the internet connection. Now when you've done that, in the search bar you can simply go ahead and then type in Chrome. When you type in Chrome, you'll find the Google Chrome application from the search list over there. Then you can tap the download icon right over there to download the Google Chrome app, and then it will be installed and you'll be able to use it on your iPhone or your iPad. It's as simple as that to be able to go ahead and then basically get the Google Chrome on iPad. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.